This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by having Excel for Mac installed and signed in. That's the foundation. Once done, grant necessary macOS permissions so Excel can access files and autosave works. Make sure OneDrive appears in the sidebar. Next, open Preferences and match region formats and default folders to avoid import errors. Then create a blank workbook and save it to OneDrive or your Documents folder so autosave and version history are active before you build anything. You now populate the sheet. Type formulas starting with equals and use dollar signs to lock cells for copy-paste consistency. Make sure to explain relative versus absolute references when copying ranges. Once data exists, convert to an Excel table for structured references and faster filters. Next, apply number formats, conditional formatting rules, and insert charts from the Insert menu to visualize trends. Also, customize the toolbar with frequently used commands. You finish by saving and exporting the final workbook. Use File Export to create a PDF or file share to send a OneDrive link. Once shared, protect sheets and lock ranges if needed, and set permissions in OneDrive so recipients are restricted. If things go wrong, Excel crashes, formulas break, or auto-save fails, first update Office, then restart macOS, and if needed reinstall or reset Excel preferences. That single troubleshooting tip, check updates and permissions, fixes most Mac Excel problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.